Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have Capcut open and your noisy image imported. Start now. First, duplicate the layer so you can compare before and after. Next, tap the clip to access filters and effects. This is where you'll begin reducing noise. You're keeping the original intact while working on a copy, which makes it easy to preview changes and revert. Once the duplicate is ready, move directly to Adjust and Noise Reduction controls to begin smoothing without losing important details. You're now in the middle of the fix. Use Capcut's noise reduction slider and increase slowly. Start around 20 to 30% because aggressive reduction blurs detail. Once done, add slight sharpening and reduce texture loss to bring edges back. These balance smoothing and clarity. If noise is localized, make a mask or use selective adjustment to treat just that area, and feather the mask to avoid hard transitions. Make sure to toggle the comparison to judge overall finish by previewing at full size and export a short test clip or image to check compression effects. If you see blotchy artifacts or overly soft areas, reduce the noise reduction amount and nudge up detail or sharpen slightly. You can also blend the processed layer with the original at reduced opacity. Make sure to save a preset of your settings for future use. If anything still looks off, revert to the duplicate and repeat the selective masking step to target problem zones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.